अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम नेक्स्ट 100 MCQs रिवाइज़ करेंगे फॉर पंजाब रेवेन्यू अथॉरिटी, इन्फोर्समेंट ऑफिसर, ऑडिट ऑफिसर एंड म्यूनसिपल ऑफिसर फाइनेंस पेपर। फर्स्ट जो 100 MCQs हैं वो ऑलरेडी इस चैनल पर अपलोडेड हैं, जो पास्ट पेपर से कलेक्ट किए गए हैं। अगर आप लोगों ने वो वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो इसी चैनल पर आपको प्लेलिस्ट मिल जाएगी PRA सॉल्व्ड पास्ट पेपर्स की, वहाँ से जाकर आप देख सकते हैं। इसके अलावा पंजाब रेवेन्यू अथॉरिटी के लिए जो जनरल नॉलेज का पोर्शन है, अगर उसके आपको सेपरेटली नोट्स चाहिए हों या जो सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड पोर्शन है जिसमें अकाउंटिंग, फाइनेंस, ऑडिटिंग, HRM और पंजाब सेल्स टैक्स एक्ट है, तो उसके लिए व्हाट्सएप नंबर आपको स्क्रीन पर शो हो रहा है, उस पर कॉन्टैक्ट करके आप सैम्पल रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। व्हाट्सएप पर ही सर आपको सैम्पल और पेमेंट डिटेल्स वगैरह प्रोवाइड कर देंगे। अभी ये नोट्स आपको काफ़ी डिस्काउंट पर मिल जाएंगे। स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के MCQs। फर्स्ट MCQs है ज़ीरो कूपन बॉन्ड इज़ आल्सो नोन एज डीप डिस्काउंट बॉन्ड। An efficient market hypothesis state all public information which is reflected in current market prices is classified as semi-strong efficiency. The firm produce market all over the world is called global firm. Debtors have least profit share due to not participating in operational risk. A feasibility study considers all the aspects of project, including availability of time and capacity, financial resources and market demand. An expenditure which occurs non-repeatedly and regularly is known as capital expenditure. Land revenue assigned to Jagirdar used for agricultural income purpose. Supervisor wage is a part of conversion cost. A market for wholesale loans and deposits traded between banks is called interbank market. Government-made policy for the industrial sector is called industrial policy. Characteristics of the job is also known as job description. Which of the following becomes a creative factor in production? Human resources. Which research is conducted when a researcher needed a solution to a problem? Applied research. Which factor has been the most rapidly changing component in an organization's general environment in the past quarter century? Technological. Change in government policy within the context of tax, fiscal policy. The main operation expenses of a business are termed as operating expense. The part of equity having certain return is called preferred stock. The primary objective of cost accounting is to ascertain the cost of goods and services. Human resource management deals with staff functions. Agency theory suggests that managers or the agents, particularly those of large, publicly owned firms, may have different objectives from those of shareholders. Auditing refers to examination of financial information. Inventory period plus accounts receivable period is called an operating cycle. The standard deviation is the square root of the variance. Fixed assets turnover is a turnover ratio. The following factor would be relatively low if supply of labor is higher than the demand. Wage. According to the capital asset pricing model CAPM, a security's expected or required return is equal to the risk-free rate plus a premium based on systematic risk of the security. Which one renders high profitability? Asset. Dash is the phase of an audit where the auditor gathers samples to identify any material misstatements in the client's accounting records or other data, substantiating testing. In response to market expectations, the credit period has been increased from 45 to 60 days. This would result in a blocking of funds. Bonus shares are issued out of free reserve. Balance sheet shows the financial position at a particular date. Which body prepare and publish audit standards? International Auditing and Assurance Standards Board. Income statement is also known as statement of earnings. Which statement shows the flow of cash and cash equivalents during the financial period? Cash flow statement. Investment decision making traditionally consists of two steps: security analysis and portfolio management. Monopolistic competition differs from perfect competition primarily because monopolistic competition firms can differentiate their products. An advertisement which conceals organization's identity, blind advertising. Each element having equal chances of selection is called probability. A nationwide electronic funds transfer network which enables participating banks or financial institutions to distribute electronic credit and debit entries to bank accounts and to settle such entries is termed as clearing house. The maximum amount beyond which a company is not allowed to raise funds by issue of share is nominal capital. Banks realize dividend and interest on behalf of customer is included in agency. Ratio of net profit before interest and tax to sales is operating profit ratio. The capital budgeting, in which we check in how many years initial investment is covered, is called payback period. Which is the primary activity of a commercial bank? Maintaining deposit accounts including current accounts, issuing and paying checks and collecting checks for bank's customers. Variable manufacturing overhead. Fixed manufacturing overhead is a part of manufacturing overhead cost. The term depletion applies to decrease in value of wasting asset. Diversification as a tool for reducing risk by investing in more than one asset. Assets are usually shown in balance sheet at unexpired cost. A joint stock company is managed by a board of directors. When government revenue exceeds government expenditure, it is known as surplus budget. Which of the following is an example of non-verbal communication? A company logo designed to project the organization's image. Which is not a characteristic of a service? Variability, intangibility, and inseparability are all characteristics. Petty cash is a part of cash book. Which of the following can be distributed among shareholders? General reserve. Strategy is developed by the visionary chief executive in which mode of strategic management? Entrepreneurial mode. The doctrine of impossibility of performance, rendering a contract void, is based on a supervening impossibility. Price elasticity of demand that is less than 1 is called inelastic. Debt is a part of capital structure. The types of goods that are tangible in nature and that can be consumed in few uses are classified as non-durable goods. Selling expenses include advertising cost. Audit evidence is considered sufficient when there is enough of it to afford a reasonable basis for an opinion on financial statements. The career-related consequences of the delayering of organizations. Most likely options are a higher proportion of job moves being demotion, promotion being a bigger step when it happens, and lateral moves becoming scarcer. Preference shareholders are owners of the company. Which of the following statements are incorrect? Services are invariable. An organizational structure in which more than one type of departmentalization is employed is called matrix firm. Which of these options, apart from cash, are instruments to distribute profit to shareholders? Stock purchase, bonus shares, and stock split. What is the subject matter of macroeconomics? Growth theory. Joint venture account is a personal account. Basic factor of productions are land, labor and capital and enterprise. Which of the following is a measure to reduce inequality of income? Social securities. The difference between desired service and level of service considered adequate is known as tolerance zone. The concept of consumer surplus was developed by Marshall, which is a system of selling goods directly to customers through a network of self-employed people. Multi-level marketing. An exceptional demand curve is one that slopes upward to right. Authorized share capital is also known as registered capital. Net loss occurs when expenses are greater than income. The assets that can be converted into cash within a short period, that is 1 year or less, are known as current assets. Liquid ratio is equal to liquid assets divided by current liabilities. Liabilities are which of the following? Obligations. Goods returned by customer should be debited to which of the following accounts? Return inward account. What is the aggregate of direct material cost, direct labor cost and direct expenses? Prime cost. Guarantee made by company's bank to a foreign bank for import is called letter of credit. Implicit cost is also known as opportunity cost or notional cost. Bank passbook is also known as bank statement. Which statement is correct regarding how agency conflict is minimized? Both are correct. Increasing share of debt by bondholder and stockholder and restructuring remuneration. Residual value is the value of the asset at the end of its useful life. Which bank gives monetary policy in Pakistan? State Bank of Pakistan. PV ratio shows profit earning capability. Which items come under financing activities in cash flow statement? Redemption of preference shares, issue of preference shares and interest paid. Cash budget includes dividend payable, postal expenditure and issue of capital. Market control process consists of formation of performance standards, performance appraisal and correcting deviations. Stakeholders are related to decisions, actions, organizations. Stock exchange is known as market for securities, secondary market. Right shares are the shares offered to the existing equity shareholders. Net profit ratio is a profitability ratio. Liquid ratio is also known as ratio acid test. In his traditional role, the finance manager is responsible for arrangement of financial resources. Control of financial planning is key responsibility of treasury management.